Hello guys, welcome back to the Python tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about Python Django. So first we will understand what is Django and how to install Django and what are the features of Django. So these concepts we will understand in this video tutorial. So now we will provide the some of the basics about the Django, means what you mean by Django and why we are using Django. So these topics we will understand in this tutorial. So first of all, we have to understand the Django, about the Django and why we are using Django. So mostly Django we are using for the web application development. So first of all, first point is Django is a web application framework. It is written in the Python programming language, and we are using for this to develop the web applications. Like it is based on the MUT model or design patterns. So in other programming language we have MVC, model view control. Similarly in Python we have the MUT design pattern. So in Python, MUT means like model, view, and a template. So this is the pattern followed in Python Django. Next, why Django is that much demanding now in the market? So because it's demanding due to the features, like it has the rapid features available in the Django, and it has some of the inbuilt functionalities or features, so that we can only import the libraries or we can make the settings here, so we can use those functionality in to build the web applications. And next, why most people are preparing Django instead of other framework means by using Django we can develop the applications like easily, means it requires only less time. So because it has the so many built-in, already built-in functionalities are there. So we have to we have to use those functionalities in order to develop our web applications. In Django framework we use the called tags lines, like some of the tag lines we are using in the Django framework. And we use the deadlines is there, and let us say, so if I want to complete the project I want to complete project within this time. So if you are not using Django, means if you are using other programming language, means other framework, means you have to create your own let us say example, consider if you are using login page, you have to create from the scratch. Whereas if in coming to the Django, so there is be always the like a functionality in Django. If you are if you want to create the user, so it's there already present admin user. So we can use those and we can create modify our based on our requirement. So this is like inbuilt functionality available, already available functions are there in Python Django. That's why it becomes the more popular. And see, like most of the things why Python Django is using means it will automatically configure the settings, so manually, when we create a project and create app, so the some of the configuration settings and all, so by default it will be handled by Django itself. So that's why we are focusing to develop the web application using Django only. So next, we have the some of the features, why Django only we have to use, means some because of the some of the features. So that's why we are using the Python Django. Now in the node sections I will mention some of the important features why Django only using. So I will write here features of Python Django. So first, before that, I will write introduction about the Django. So introduction about the Django. First point, when it comes to Django, it is a web application framework. Web application framework, and this is used for to develop the dynamic website or dynamic web applications. used for creating the dynamic applications. And like it follows the MUT pattern as I already explained. So in other programming language we have the MUC, that is model view control. So whereas in coming to the Django we have the MUT pattern. So it follows the MUT design pattern, that is model view and template. So I'll be explaining this what we mean by model, what we mean by view and template in further videos. As of now, we are following the MUT design pattern. So we are following MUT pattern, that is model, view, and template patterns. Next, as I explained already, so yeah, this is about it has the rich setup like application inbuilt functionalities. That's why we are using the Django framework. Now I will mention some of the features about the Django framework. Like what are the main important features available in the Python Django. So first one is the we have the rapid development. So rapid development, which means it has the so many functions inbuilt. Already functions are there. So and like there are there are a framework which takes less time, yeah, to build the applications. To build any web applications, it take the less time because it already has a some of the already functionalities. So the to implement a project, there is the required less time, but compared to the other framework. So this is the rapid development. The next one point is the secure. So I will mention the point here. Next point is the secure. So like Django automatic, in Python Django, so it will take care about the security, so to avoid any misuse or to do to any from the attacking from the hackers, and SQL injection, and any cross scripting. So these kind of technology, I mean, it will be handled by Django user only. For that, for this security, we have the user authentications. So for system we are providing the user authentications, like for to secure our account and all. So we are using the password and username. So and we are creating the user and providing the what all the so what all the things he need to access. Actually we are providing the permission to the user. If I'm creating a user, means it what kind of user, like if he required all the access or only required a few access. So we can, based on the user, I can give the permission to the user to access the applications. So it has the some of the few security options available in the Django. Next option is a scalable. So next point is scalable. So one second, scalable. So scalable means so in nature, it is ability to have the flexibility, means which small application to large applications we can create by using Django framework. And let's say so if I want to just like a hello world kind of web application. So we can it Python Django provides that like a similar like small applications as well as the big applications. So it is flexible, whichever we want we can make use the this Django framework to build our applications. Next is the fully loaded. So next feature is the fully loaded. So fully loaded means it includes some the various task modules are there. So in Python, what happens in we have the modules and libraries which can be used to handle the web application task. So similar to in yeah, in other programming language like we have the class and all. So similar way in Python we have the model called a class. It will create automatically class. So and like it is a in other way it will create the table, and what are the field we are passing in the model while creating, those field will be created in the table. Like, and it will handle the like a common web application task, like, and even Django provides the like authentications. So means fully loaded means it has the like features called authentications and like a content administration. And we can use the like a mapping of the URL, so that is called a site map URLs. So these are the inbuilt functionality already loaded. That's why this Python language called as a fully loaded. So next is the versatile. So I will write in the note section. So next feature is versatile. So like a Django versatile in the sense like it allows the like a building the application in a different domain. Let us say we are using like for example, machine learning is the one domain, and data analytics is the another domain, and like developing web application is another domain. So these are the like different domain we are using the Django framework. That's why it is called as a versatile. Like many companies are using Django to build the various types of application such as like a content management system, social networking, or for scientific computing. So except these in these domains we are using the Django. So that's the reason it is called as a versatile. So next point is like a it is a open source. So I will mention the point. Open source means normally like in any other programming language, if you consider open source means the source code will be available for free. Like in Django, like source code also like the whatever the code is there, Django code that will be available. So this applications is freely available to all the users. And like it has like it even it available for publicly without any cost, means we need not to be pay anything, just we can use the normally. And just you have to download the source code of the source code from the repository, or like or you can download from the official website of the Django framework. And like it even it reduces the total cost of like see, if it is open source means we need not to be pay anything to the that framework. So we can like the whatever we are developing the application, that will be reduce the cost, because we are using the free open source tool or a web framework. And next is the, and it supports like any like most popular web framework is in Python is like Django only. So because of this all the features, it is the like a mostly used Django, commonly used web framework. And like it supports like communicating the channels and to share the content from one to the another, or we can connect like we can connect from one framework to another framework. So these all are the activities available in the Django. That's why for these reason we Django is most popular. So I hope you have understood this concept, like what is Django. In this tutorial we have learned about like what is Django and what are the features about the Django. So next video tutorial we will be continuing about the Django. Thank you.